Want to know how a simple YouTube channel can make $2,000 to $3,000 in just 1 month? Let's talk about Living Wisdom, a channel that's become a powerhouse with 1.7 million subscribers and millions of views. Their most popular video has 47 million views alone. Amazing, right? But there's more. There's another channel inspired by Living Wisdom that's also raking in views. This new channel called Wisdom and Folklores follows a similar style with AI motivational stories and has already gained millions of views. The formula is simple but powerful, an inspiring story narrated with calming background music and brought to life using AI-generated animations. These types of videos are exploding in popularity on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. There's even a newer channel that started just a month ago, and its most popular video already has 14,000 views. You can see the potential here. If you start a channel like this today, you could reach millions of subscribers and even start earning within a few weeks. In this video, you're going to learn everything you need to know to create your own channel like this. Imagine making a stable income from YouTube, sharing stories, building your dream channel. But here's the key, don't skip a single step. Each part of this guide is essential, and by following all the steps, you'll set your channel up for success. So, if you're ready to learn how to turn stories into money-making videos, this video is for you. Watch until the end, because at the very end, I'll share an important tip to help make your channel go viral as soon as possible. Let's dive in and get started with this amazing journey. First, you'll want to ask ChatGPT if it knows about the Living Wisdom channel. ChatGPT will search YouTube and verify the channel for you. Once it confirms that it knows the Living Wisdom channel, you'll get the link to check and make sure it's the right one. Now let's move on to the next step. In the video description, you'll find links to the prompts you'll need. Just copy the prompt, paste it in, and ask for a script in 1 paragraph. This will keep things simple and clear. Once you have the script, the next step is to generate an image. You can use another prompt specifically for image generation. This is a unique way to create powerful content easily, all with the help of AI. ChatGPT will create the prompt we'll use to generate the images, but before that, the voiceover is crucial. So let's start by generating the voiceover first. For this, go to TTS OpenAI.com. Sign up or log in, and you'll see an interface where you can paste your script. Before generating the voice, make sure to delete any unnecessary parts from the script. On the right side, you'll see options for different voice types. Pick a voice you like, set the speed, and click Create. A pop-up will appear. Just click Go to History and you can download your voiceover for free. With the voiceover done, it's time to create visuals. For this, head over to Leonardo AI, sign up or log in, and follow the prompts to start generating images. Once you're on Leonardo AI, right-click to access advanced settings. Here, you can choose the model you want to use for your image. When you're ready, just click Generate and your image will be ready to download. If you're not happy with the results on Leonardo AI, try Ideogram AI. It's also free, allowing you to create 10 to 15 images without any cost. Just copy your prompt from ChatGPT, set the ratio to 9:16, and click Generate to get your image. With these 2 AI tools, you can create all the images you need. The next step is important. We'll convert these images into a video. So download all your images from Leonardo AI and Ideogram AI. Now for the exciting part, turning your images into a video. And we'll do this entirely free of cost. To turn your images into a video, you can use LumaLab AI or Hilo AI. Both platforms offer free credits to get started. First, sign up and log in to either LumaLab AI or Hilo AI, linked in the description. Once logged in, you'll see an interface where you can begin converting images to animations. Click on the Explore button and then look for the image icon. Upload the images you created on Leonardo AI or Ideogram AI and paste the same prompt you used to generate the images. Then click Generate to watch your animation come to life. You can repeat this process for each image and download each animated clip. With Hilo AI, you get 100 free credits, so take advantage of that to create a few videos. Once all your animations are ready, download them to complete your animated video. Now let's move on to the final step, video editing. This is crucial because good editing can make your video go viral. For editing, we'll be using CapCut, which you can download using the link in the description. Once installed, open CapCut and start a new project. First, click on Import to bring in the animations you created with Hilo AI. as well as the voiceover from TTS OpenAI. Once imported, drag and drop the voiceover onto the timeline. Now go through the voiceover and split the timeline wherever there are empty or unwanted parts. Select these empty segments, split them, and then delete them. This will make your video crisp and clear, giving it a professional feel and keeping your audience engaged. Next, let's set up the visuals for your video. Start by selecting the right aspect ratio. Choose 9:16 for vertical videos, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Now listen to your voiceover and add scenes that match each part of the narration. Begin by adding the first scene, then listen to the next part of the voiceover, and continue adding each scene one by one to align with the audio. This step-by-step approach will make your video flow naturally. Once all your scenes are in place, it's time to add effects. Now let's add effects to make the video pop. Listen to your voiceover carefully to match effects with the mood and tone of each part. For example, if your script mentions something cool, search for a cool effect. In CapCut, go to the effects section, search for keywords that fit your voice and script, and download the effects you like. Then simply drag and apply these effects to the right scenes in your video. Adding the right effects will make your video more engaging and give it a polished, professional touch. The next step is adding transitions to make your video smoother and more engaging. In CapCut, click on the transition button and select the transitions that best match your video's style. Apply the transition to all your clips to create a seamless flow. Now let's add captions. Click on the caption button, then select Generate Caption to automatically add text that matches your voiceover. You can also click on the templates on the left and choose one that suits your style, like the second template. Scroll down to customize further, change colors, styles, and add animation to enhance the look. With everything ready, click on the export button to save your video. Now let's take a final look.
On a cold winter morning, Michael, a homeless man, sat alone on a street corner, invisible to the hurried crowd. He hadn't eaten in days, and his hope was fading. But then, a young woman named Sarah noticed him. Instead of walking by, she smiled, sat beside him, and offered him a hot coffee. Touched, Michael dug into his pocket and handed her a crumpled note meant for his estranged daughter, asking her to pass on the message. The note simply read, "You are loved. Don't ever forget it." Sarah pinned it on a community board at her office, where others began leaving their own messages of hope and kindness. Michael's small gesture sparked a ripple of compassion, touching countless lives. Sometimes, it's the smallest acts that make the biggest impact. Next time, let's remember, a simple act of kindness could change a life, maybe even yours.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in the next one.